Hey everyone, welcome back to WeeklyTools. Today, we're diving into something that might seem small but plays a crucial role in your car's emissions system, the evaporative control canister filter. If you've ever wondered what it does, how it works, or when you should replace it, you've come to the right place. Let's get started. Evaporative control canister filter is a charcoal filter that traps fuel vapors from escaping into the atmosphere. It is found just around the fuel tank. A bad EVAP canister filter may cause a low gas mileage, less effective operation of engine, and difficulty in starting up the engine. It will turn on the check engine light on your dashboard. Short distance driving is permitted if you find these symptoms in your car, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. To save more money on car expenses, claim engine code scanner by clicking the link here or at the description link below. Replacing the filter is usually straightforward, but it's always a good idea to check your car's manual or consult a professional. Here's a quick overview of the process. Locate the canister and filter. Disconnect any hoses or clips. Remove the old filter and inspect the canister for damage. Install the new filter and reconnect everything. To recap, the evaporative control canister filter is a small but essential part of your car's EVAP system. It helps keep fuel vapors contained and ensures your vehicle runs cleaner and more efficiently. Replacing it when needed can save you from potential headaches down the road. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more automotive tips and tutorials. Have questions about your EVAP system or other car components? Drop them in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video.